This is how you put out the fires that are running rampant throughout the state of Florida and other parts of the countries at dry times, periods. This right here is solidified water. It turns it into gel. The government should know this because they hacked me 2 years ago. So if they surround the borders of a fire, it will not burn. When they drop the water from the helicopters, it evaporates by the time it hits the ground. So if they surrounded the borders with this horticulturally safe product, unlike him, be able to put out the fires. When it rains, they actually get bigger, and they'll last for several months at a time. Unlike him, it's horticulturally safe.